students, I am Raja Chauhan from Lux International School, Maheshwar. Today we are going to learn chapter number 4 Exponents and Power of class 7th Mathematics. Now, previously we already learned the laws of exponents. Now we will learn our next laws. So on the basis of that we will solve our next exercise, that is 4.3 and 4.4. So our next law is law number 3, x m bracket x power m bracket power n. Okay, if we have x power m bracket n, okay, so we have to multiply the powers, mean m and n. How? We will see one question. Suppose we have 8 raised to the power 3 bracket raised to the power 4. So 8 4 3s are 12. This will you have to solve. Okay, means you have to multiply the power when they are in this manner. Now power with same exponent. Suppose we have x power m into y power m. So you can see the power is same, so you can write x into y power m. How? You can see in a question also. X to the power m into y to the power m, xy whole to the power m. You can see in first 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2. Here you can see on both the numbers the power is 2, so we can write here 2 into 3 whole raised to the power 2, means you have to write like this. Now our next law is law 5, that is for divide. Means suppose we have x raised to the power m, y raised to the power m, so we have to write x by y raised to the whole raised to the power m. Now suppose we have example this one, 6 to the power 10 by 7 to the power 10, so we can write 6 by 7 raised to the power 10. Now on the basis of these three laws we will solve exercise 4.3. Question number 1, simplify the following and write the answer in the exponential notation. First question is 5 raised to the power 3 and whole raised to the power 7. So I already told you, according to the law third, you have to multiply the powers. So 5 raised to the power what? 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21, so 5 raised to the power 21, that is our answer. Now here minus 8 raised to the power 2 and whole raised to the power 4, so 4 into 2, that is 8, so minus 8 raised to the power 8. This is your answer. Now question number 3, same here, 4 3s are 12, so minus 10 raised to the power 12. Now question number 5, m raised to the power 3 raised to the power 5, 5 3s are 15, so m raised to the power 15. Now in the same manner you have to solve all the 4 questions. You just have to multiply in the power. Question number 2, simplify the following and write the answers in the exponential notation. First question, 2d whole to the power 5. Now here 2d whole to the power 5, so you have to write 2 to the power 5 multiply d to the power 5, means you have to write them separately and then you have to mention the power. Now here 3 into 7 whole raised to the power 2, so 3 raised to the power 2 multiply 7 raised to the power 2. Now question third, same, minus 9 raised to the power 4 multiply x raised to the power 4. So like this you have to solve this question. All the answers are given here. You just have to separate them and you have to mention the power. Now question number 3, simplify the following and write the answers in the exponential notation. Now this is on the basis of law number 5, which is for divide. You can see -1/7 whole raised to the power 4. So you have to write them separately. -1 raised to the power 4 by 7 raised to the power 4. You just have to write them separately. Now -m by 4 raised to the power 3. So -m raised to the power 3 by 4 raised to the power 3. Question number 3, that is 9 by -11 whole raised to the power 2. So 9 raised to the power 2 by -11 raised to the power 2. So like this you have to solve. You just have to separate them and you have to mention the power. This question is basis on the law number 5. Now question number 4, which is larger, 2 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 4 or 4 raised to the power 2 whole to the power 2. Now first we will solve this one. First one, 2 raised to the power 4 means first you have to multiply 2 4s are 8. So this one. Now 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 raised to the power 4. Now you have to solve here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now you have, when you will solve this you will get 256. Okay, now here 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 4s are 256. Now you can see both the answers are equal. So we have to write both are equal. Question number 5, evaluate 7 raised to the power 8 whole raised to the power 0. Now 7, 8 zeros are 0. So 7 to the power 0. Whenever a number has power 0, the answer will be 1 only. Okay. Now question number 2, 2 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 2. So 2 to the power 4, 2 multiplied by 2. Now 2 into 2 we will get 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 that is 16. So 16 is answer. Now question number 3, 6 by 7 raised to the power 0. So 6 raised to the power 0, 7 raised to the power 0 means 1 by 1, that is 1. 1 is answer. Now question number 4, you can see 6 raised to the power 0 multiply 8 raised to the power 0. 1 into 1 equals to 1, answer. Now here also 0. Same question like question number 1, -9, 0 into 6, 0. Any number has power 0, we will get answer 1, whatever the negative value or positive value. Question number 6, 2. Now here 2 3s are 6 but 2 5. Now here you have to subtract the sign because they are in divide. So 6 minus 5 1. So 2 is our answer. Now our exercise number 4.3 is completed. Now we will see our next concept, expanded form of numbers with exponent. Now here you can see first we will expand them in the expanded form. Okay, you have to write first in expanded form and you have to write in powers, 10 raised to the powers. Okay, how we can write, we will see the questions. Now expressing large number with the help of exponents. Now how we can express them in the exponents, we will see in the exercise number 4.4. Now we will solve exercise number 4.4. Question number 1, write the following numbers in the expanded form with exponential notation. 3,60,259. So first we will write in expanded form, that is 3 lakh plus 60,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 9. Okay, now what you have to do, first 3 lakh. Okay, first we have this one. So 3 multiply. Now 10. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write 3 into 10 to the power 5. 3 into 10 to the power 5. Now here 60,000. For 60,000 we will write 6 into, now how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power 4. Like this. 0, so we don't write. Now 200. For 200, how we can write? 2 into 10 to the power, how many 0? 2. So this one. Now 50, how we can write 50? 5 into 10 to the power 1, we will get 50. So we will write this one. Now for 9, you have to write 9 into 10 to the power 0. Why we will write 0? Because any number is power 0, we will get 1 only. So 9 multiply 1, we will get 9. So this will be our answer. Now we will see one more question. Question number 4. First you have to write in expanded form. Okay. Now 9 okay, for we will see this one 9. Now we will count the number of 0. How many are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power 7. Now for this one, three into 10 to the power, how many 0? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power 6. Now for this one, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 into 10 to the power 5. So like this you have to solve. Now for the last one, you can see 90. How we can write? 9 into 10 to the power 1. And for 3, how we can write? 3 into 10 to the power 0. Because any number has power 0, we will get 1. 3 into 1, we will get 3. So we have to write like this. You have to them. When you will solve this one, you will get the same answer. So these are the expanded form with exponential notation. Why we will call exponential notation? Because we write in 10 to the power whatever the number is. Now all the answers are given here, so you have to solve. Now question number 2, write the following numbers in their usual forms. Now how we can write? First question, see, 6 into 10 to the power 6. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this one. Now 4 into 10 to the power 5. Now 4 here. 10 to the power 5 means 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 3 into 10 to the power 4. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 0. Now 2 into 10 to the power 3. So 2, 3 0. Now 7, 10 to the power 2. 7, 2 0. Now 8, 1 0. And at last it is 9. Now you have to add them. What is the answer? 6, 4, 3, 2, 7, 8, 9. So you have to write like this: 6, 4, 3, 2, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this one. Same we will solve question number 4th. 7 raised to the power 8. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 6 raised to the power 5. 5 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here 6. Now 8 raised to the power 8 into 10 to the power 2. Now 8. Now here 9 into 10 to the power 1. 9 0. Now 4. So 4, 9, 8, 0, 0, 6, now 00, 7. So 700, 600, 894 is answer. 700, 600, 894. Okay, so like this you have to solve. All the answers are given here. You have to solve in this manner. Question number 3, express the following numbers in the scientific notation or standard form. Now this is very simple question. You can just see, suppose our question is this one, 7, 8, 2 and 0, 0 zeros. So first you have to write 7.82 multiply. Now how many zeros are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. 11. Okay, 11 means 10 raised to the power 11, but we have mentioned decimal point here, means 2 0 more, so 10 raised to the power 13 will be the answer. We can write like this also, 782 multiply 10 to the power 11 also. This one is also our answer, but when we will make the decimal point here, there is increase in 2 more power. Okay, that will be 10 to the power 13. Now next question, 63 means 6.3 we will write. Now how many 0? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 and one more, 14. 10 to the power 14. Now we will see question number 4, 1.4. Now how many zeros? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 and one more, 13, means 10 to the power 13. Now we will see question number 6. How we have to write? 3.98463. Now multiply 10 to the power. How many zero are there? 3, 3, 4, 5. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 to the power 10. See, all the answers are given here. You have to solve in the same manner. Now question number 4, find the value of the following. As you already solved exercise number 4.3, so on the basis of this exercise, this question will be solved. Now you can see 6, 2 zeros are 0 plus. Now minus 4 raised to the power 0, 7 raised to the power 0. This one answer is 1 plus 1 divided by 1. You will get 1 plus 1. 2 is our answer. You can see 2 is our answer. Now we will solve question number 3. Minus 8. 2 into 2, 4. Now you have to multiply. Minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8. So you will get 4096 as answer. Now we will see question number 4. Question number 4, 9 into 8 whole square by 72. Now 9 into 8, that is 9 8s are 72 square by 72. So we will cut 72 to square. That is 72 is answer. How we will cut 72 square by 72? 72 multiply 72 by 72. We can cut 72 to 72. Remaining one is 72 is answer. Now we will see question number 6. What is the question? 7 by 11 whole square divide 7 by 11 whole square. So sorry, 6 by 11. So we have to write 6 square by 11 square divide 6 square by 11 square. So when we will write multiply here, we will get 6 square by 11 square multiply 11 square by 6 square. Now you can see both all are cancel, so 1 is our answer. Now we will solve question number 11. 7 raised to the power 4 into 6 raised to the power 4 by 42 square. Now here 7 6 the 42 square by 42 square. Wait, here is the power 4. Now this will be cut, and here how many power will remaining? 42 square. Now 42 into 42, 1764 is answer. Now all the answers are given here. You just have to solve from here, and you have to write them in your copy and you have to solve them. Now our chapter number 4 is completed. Now we will start chapter number 5. Till that you have to prepare and you have to practice all the questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.